So I just thought I'd pop by and show you Zhongshan TV, Zhongshan Broadcasting TV station. This is the logo over here. They're the local news TV station within Zhongshan. They do a very good job of keeping Zhongshan up to date with local news and what's going on. They are open-minded to new international ideas. Some of my friends are the bosses here, and they understand that television is changing, and with this thing here, and that was a Ferrari. With this thing here and YouTube and TikTok and all the social media, they understand that they have to adapt, have to change. And it's a beautiful location. It's right next to Mr. Sun Yat-sen. Mr. Sun Yat-sen, the history of Mr. Sun Yat-sen is he's the founder of China, apparently, Mr. Zhongshan himself. So Chinese people are very proud of the city Zhongshan because of this guy. And you'll find in China a lot of places are called Zhongshan Street or Sun Yat-sen or something to do with this guy. And the TV station is right here, and I'll be chatting with them after Chinese New Year, because you know, Chinese New Year, nothing happens, so we have to wait. And that's the thing with China, it takes time understanding cultural differences. So happy Chinese New Year from Zhongshan TV. One of the things you see more and more in China are these shared bikes. So basically it's a bike that you just scan the QR code here, and it's got a battery, and that's it, you go. It's like a very convenient form of transport. I went to Singapore recently and they had something similar, but it was an e-scooter, similar to my e-scooter. But I think in Singapore they've done it right. They've put laws in place restricting the speed and size and all this sort of stuff. So Switzerland, I was talking to my Swiss friend today, they tried it there and the whole culture didn't like it at all. So, but in China, they're everywhere, and because you know it's big business and so many companies are fighting, there's all these great big heaps of dead bikes. So if you own a bike in China, you're not going to get any money for it because there's all these ones hanging around. There's some noise going on over there. I'll go over and have a look, see what's going on. I think it's some kind of line dancing. So let's go and have a look. So first meeting of the day, China Bank. Excellent meeting, very nice guy. He understood everything that I was talking, and the business plan and everything else. So very pleased. A lot of restrictions in China when it comes to banking, understandably, but we'll see where we can go and which direction we can go. I don't know what these guys are doing here, some police going on, but anyway, onward and upward. So just had a nice meeting with car company, very good people, very nice. Now it's time for McDonald's. Who doesn't like McDonald's? When I came to Zhongshan in 2006, it had this McDonald's here, and it wasn't so popular, not so busy. Now it's super busy all the time, and this construction here was built, but nobody living there. And still, for some unknown reason, not many people living there. But this one they've constructed, and this one. So this one's all full, and this one is constructed, but I don't know what happened to this one. It just never got traction. It never got people. I don't know what happened. So anyway, lunchtime, time for McDonald's. So today I've come to see my good friend Ginger. I call her Ginger actually. She's one of the famous people here in Zhongshan, and she works in Zhongshan TV station. So gonna have a chat about different things, and there's Mr. Sun Yat-sen himself, standing on his statue having a good day. So just gonna head in and see what we can see. So here I am inside, and there's a big thing to celebrate 40 years of the opening of China, and look who's here. Look who this is. This is my very, very good friend, Mr. Gary Teeling. He's had the best bar in Zhongshan for the last 20 years, so of course he's featured in the 40 years to celebrate Sun Yat-sen, all the things going on. Here it is, Zhongshan Broadcasting Television Center. Let's see if there's anyone else we might know. Nope, nobody I recognize. But yeah, it's a big thing this year to celebrate the 40 years of opening up of China. And because Sun Yat-sen is one of the main people founding China, Zhongshan is his hometown, so it's a big thing that everybody's focusing on this opening up. So it's interesting times. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.